This is an outlet timer from BN-Link. Designed to be used outdoors. You can use this for Christmas and Halloween decorations and more. The material here is plastic. It's waterproof and looks to be very well constructed. It has two grounded outlets. Make sure to install it vertically at least 2 feet above the ground. Here's the power indicator. The photocell sensor makes it turn on at dusk and turn off at dawn. You can also set it to turn on at dusk and turn off after 2, 4, 6 or 8 hours for daily repeat cycles. This is a great feature to have. The right angle plug allows you to use it with the covered outlets. It comes with an instruction manual that includes all the details. Overall, this dusk to dawn outlet timer is nicely designed, easy to use, and this pack is highly recommended.